tumangayo. I'm just using. Sobrang maliwanag, masakit ang aking mata. 9 viewers and 5. Basahan daw na ano please.
Di ka maganda.
Salbahe. Kanin ba? Basahan ba?
Kaya nga, di ka maganda.
Basher.
You got any winkly? Winkly.
Simple.
Or think,
Kasi daw na
dili
nahinay.
nagyotro niya.
Nahinay daw na noy.
Tinkle.
Thank you. Akala ko turkey.
Tinkle.
Turkey. Bro. 19. Hinay na. Kasi ito kong mata. Huwag ko siyang igamit. Kaya kani, yun ako gamiton. Ay, pala binoy. Okay na noy. Kala lang. Na lang, noy. 16 and 5. Sorry, ha. Sorry. Kasi yung pangalan niya, noy? Ayaw, nagtiba, noy. Kasi pangalan.
May?
Anak niya.
Okay lang.
Basta, ha?
Parker,
gani.
Hindi ma-zoom.
Kana. Masum na. 17. Parker. Sorry, Parker. Where are you from? Mabuti na lang walang basher dito. Alam, may basher din ako sa totoong buhay, guys. Live. Live na live ang basher ko here. And sometimes I have basher there in YouTube. Sometimes. Not every day, guys. Because sometimes basta't kasama kita. 16. Hello po. 37, 38, 39, 40. Hello sa 17 and 5 like. Thank you po. Hello sa 17. Yes. Fifteen, hi. Oh. Hello 17. Hi guys, welcome to my live. Sa po na ay kung ang live ko masipong kayong anak. 21 and 5. Thank you sa 21. Welcome to my live and welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. And welcome to my live. Guys, mag-live selling ako on TikTok. I hope I can have buyers or buying my products, my affiliate, because I need guys, I need extra income because here on YouTube I don't think I can have my salary next month. I think I need to wait for another 3 months. So if I cannot I don't know, guys, if I can live here on YouTube next month because my internet is gonna be expired soon. So I need to do in TikTok so that if I have income there, I can buy another internet for 1 month. But if I don't have income, I will be disappearing on YouTube. I think it's like how many days and week, I don't know, but yeah, that's life.